Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best bike accessories available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have XCH Robots Bike Repair Tool. You can experience the best bicycle repair in new mountain bike tires repair tools. You can easy to hang it on your bike with a hook and loop. It is great for long distance bike riding, camping and other emergency situation. Because you carry this small but very powerful package. These are just the essentials to keep you on the bike, keeping up the air pressure in the tires, fixing the occasional flat tire and cleaning and lubricating the chain. At number 5 we have MIZATTO Bike Bottle Holder. You can protect your bottles from falling off as you ride. The bike bottle holder can be easily installed with just 3 adjustable Velcro straps. That's keeping the water bottle safe and stable even on rough roads. It has adjustable drawstring design for almost kinds of cups and water bottles. It is perfectly hold your 12 to 32 ounces cans of beer, large cups, coffee mug, soft drinks, stainless steel bottle. This water bottle holder with PVA thermal insulation layer is designed to keep your drinks cold in hot weather and warm in cold weather. This cup holder is made of premium Oxford cloth and 20cc PVA. It is durable and can be used as your faithful bicycle. At number 4 we have Leader Accessories Mount Bike Rack. The tilt-backward design enables users to open the rear gates without detaching the hitch rack. The user can fold up the rack when not in use, and smart idea to save space. The bikes comes with low Y-frame, may require the use of an bike frame adapter for better support. And maximum capacity of 70 IBs per bike. Also extra safety reflector and tie-down strap including. It has safety reflector to ensuring the night driving safety. It is highly recommended to use safety strap to secure bikes more safely. This quick release handle easy to operate. This smart tilting construction used to fold up and down rack more easily than hitch pin when carrying bikes. This bike carrier provides a stress-free way to transport your bikes. Number 3 we have MIZATTO Bike Mirror. This bike mirror's monitor is updated in real time, helps you see vehicles and other bikes approaching from the rear. And frees you from constantly looking over your shoulder to see what's behind you. This makes for a more enjoyable, carefree experience. The viewing angle of the camera is 145 degrees. The screen shows the scene as the actual distance, there will be no deformation. It has 4.3 inches screen, which is bigger than a traditional bicycle mirror. Which is fit for 20 to 30 mm diameter of the handlebar, 78 inches cable. And suitable for most bikes. The support is shockproof, so even through uneven road screen display will be no shaking and displacement. That's ensure you can see the road behind you even when riding at night. At number 2 we have Turkey Bike Mirror Camera. The screen material is upgraded to IPS screen. The view color is more bright, the screen has no shadow riding in the sun, the screen vision is clear. The camera has a 145-degree wide angle to really restore the rear view. The camera give you a clear view during the day and at night so you can riding more safely. The screen is made of waterproof glass but only to prevent splashing water. The color restoration is accurate. The rear view is displayed on the screen in real time and there will be no frame dropping or residual shadow when riding. It's make your riding safer. It comes with 8 infrared lamps. The camera provides clear video in realistic quality. And your lens remains clear and steady even in low light. At number 1 we have XCH Bike Rack Bag. The bicycle rack bag is made of pool leather and polyester, which is durable, water repellent and easy to clean. It even comes with rain cover that completely helps protect the trunk. And the stuff's in it from dirt, sand, water, rain and snow. The reflective strips increase visibility at night together with the rear belt for tail light, which make you riding more safe. This trunk attaches easily to the rear bike/e-bike rack with 2 Velcro straps. This interior equipped with thin PE foam for better protecting the gears in the bag. It could collapse flat when you don't use it. This bag features portable and lightweight. This bike carrier bag includes a main compartment, which helps keep your riding essentials well organized. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best bike accessories for your need.